So hello guys, in today's video we will see how to turn on dark mode on Instagram or how to turn on your Instagram account in light mode when it is in dark mode. Since the new update of Instagram has come, the whole setting of Instagram has changed due to which Instagram users are facing a lot of problems. So stay in this video till the end. We will see in this video how to use Instagram in dark mode, that too on the new setting of Instagram, and whatever I will tell you in this video, if you follow it well, then you can easily use your Instagram in dark mode and light mode according to you. So first of all you have to open your Instagram. Here you will find the Instagram logo at the bottom right side. Then you have to click on the Instagram logo and then click on the three lines. Then you will see the settings and privacy here. Click on it, then the new setting of Instagram will open in your mobile. Now you have to scroll down the setting page. After coming down in this setting, you will see the accessibility setting. Here you have to click on the accessibility setting. As soon as you click on the accessibility setting, you will see two options here. One is caption and the other is dark mode. So now in some Instagram accounts, this dark mode option is not coming. So what to do with them, you will know in the video. If a dark mode option is coming in your Instagram, then you have to click on it. If you want to run your Instagram in dark mode, then simply click on it and make your Instagram account in dark mode. So from here you can easily use your Instagram account in dark mode and your whole Instagram account will run in dark mode. If you want to turn it off, then you have to come back to accessibility and come to dark mode, and you have to turn it off from here or click on system default. And those who do not have this dark mode option in their Instagram account, go to the Play Store and search for Instagram. You will see Instagram. Update your Instagram. After that, you will see the dark mode option here. Otherwise you have to do the second thing. You have to pull down your notification bar, and your mobile has a dark mode feature, so you just have to click on it and turn it on. Still your Instagram account will start running in dark mode, but until the dark mode option comes in your accessibility setting, you have to keep updating your Instagram account. So guys, this was our today's video. I hope you liked the video.